Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to my channel, but not welcome to my kitchen because this is not my kitchen at all. We'll get into that very soon. But good morning. We are doing a vlog-ish, vlog-ish video today. So I have all of my kids home right now, and the reason why I want to vlog is because I wanted you guys to get to meet them, but also we're celebrating the holidays early this year. It is November the 9th, and so for the first time in years, I actually have all of my kids in one spot. As close to it's not quite the holidays yet, but as close to the holidays as I can possibly get, and I'll take that, okay? All your mamas and daddies, y'all know, having all of your kids in one spot at the same time, all of your adult kids in one spot at the same time, that's a blessing, and you'll take it when you can, right? So my oldest son, as you guys know, is in the military, and he is deploying very soon, like literally around the corner. He's about to deploy, and so he won't be here for the holidays. And my two younger children, they are working throughout the holidays. Like, their schedules are jam-packed, so they won't even be off. So we're doing it this week. We're on a little staycation. I'm in an Airbnb, and I just wanted to get an Airbnb so we can have the space just to kind of eat, chill, enjoy each other, and just have a good time. So got an Airbnb, as you can see. It's a little bit early, hence the fit, right? So I tried to pull it together and with this little cardigan to, like, you know, kind of make up for everything else, but I ain't ashamed of this bonnet, okay? So yeah, so we are cooking Thanksgiving dinner. Did I mention the date already? I don't know if I did, but it's November the 9th. We're cooking Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow, November the 10th. I'm kind of just preparing and getting my list together, going over like all of my cookware, my seasonings, my menu, all like trying to make this look better. Anyhow, getting my menu together. We're also cramming in Christmas this week as well. So we got little mini trees going. You can see that one right there. These little tiny trees I got from Dollar Tree. See, they're so tiny, but they serve their purpose for this week. Let's see, what else? So my boys are at the gym right now, and my daughter is on her way back. She just took Santiago, which is her dog, my grand puppy. Oh, she's pulling up right now. She just took him to the vet because he had a little limp this morning, and I think it because the Airbnb has this really nice fenced-in backyard, and he was like going bananas out there last night. So he either like stepped on something or he sprained his paw, but she took him just to get checked out. But yeah, so a lot of exciting things the next couple of days, and I just wanted to take you guys along with me, and I hope that you enjoy this vlog-ish. All right, guys, so we are out, well, myself and my daughter, but she's on the other side. I'm not putting her on the camera for this clip. But we are getting lunch because we have been furniture shopping and we're kind of worn out. Well, we actually haven't been shopping. We've been just sitting on couches trying to see which one is the most comfortable for our new place. So no luck so far. We've gone to Ashley and Rooms to Go, and we're fueling up with Chick-fil-A right now, and then we're going to head over to Value City Furniture and see what they have. So I didn't get any clips from the first two stores, but I'll try to get some clips in Value City. But hopefully we find something, because as everybody knows, with the supply chain issue, it's going to be months before we actually get something in. So hopefully we can lock something in today or sometime this week so that it'll be on its way. But if I see anything interesting in Value City, I will make sure to show you guys. So I'm kind of looking for, we're looking for some of everything, honestly. We're looking for the bedroom sets, and the color is kind of off because it's really bright in here, but looking for bedroom sets, a living room set. I do want a brand new kitchen table, something a little bit bigger, but I love this right here. This is so nice, guys. I wish my phone was, I'm filming on my phone right now, so the color is kind of not picking up, but I love this. Let me see. I can adjust. I like the bench that's on it. So my daughter likes this one, which is really nice. And it's supposed to come in a 5-piece set. Let's see. So that's not bad. But you can also choose different colors as well for this. You can get a champagne, gray, white, or the blue velvet colors on it. But look. Like, you really can sink into this couch. This is a good nap couch. I like it. And then I like this ottoman. I wonder if the ottoman included in the price. So this is the Value City's version of the cloud couch. Like, I want something that I can sit on and want to like grab my blanket and take a nap, or I want guests to come and feel like they don't want to get up. That might not be a good thing though. But the cloud couch, I think they were saying it's like maybe 8,000 or 9,000, and then the Value City version, they custom make them with any color that you want, and they're like in the 3,000 range. So this will be something that you will have for a long time. That's what I'm looking for. That. Morning. It is early. It's early, but today is our Thanksgiving day for our family. So I have a few things I need to pick up. I did a grocery Instacart. I did a grocery, I'm like, oh my goodness. I did a grocery order last night, but I forgot a few things. And so I'm going to run into Walmart, pick up a few things, and then get back and start cooking, because I want to, I want us to start eating around like 5-ish. Y'all know how that goes. Even though this is not like actual Thanksgiving, but y'all know when you prepare like a Thanksgiving meal, you have like a set time that you want to eat, and then that never happens. So I'm hoping to eat around no later than 5 o'clock today. So we're doing a Secret Santa. Everybody's already drawn names for the family Secret Santa, but I am also putting together the Christmas saran wrap game. And so it's my first time ever doing this, and it's my first time actually ever hearing about it. I think I was like on, I don't know where I was, probably on TikTok. Guys, everything. If I'm trying something new, more than likely it came from TikTok. But I am doing the saran wrap game, where you wrap a whole bunch of, like, this, make this big saran wrap ball, and then there's a bunch of different gifts all in, and you have like a certain amount of time to unwrap. Yeah, so I got to get saran wrap and some gifts to put in the saran wrap. So, oh my goodness. So Isaiah is getting my dressing ready to go in the oven. Now he cannot take credit for this dressing. The only thing he can take credit for is melting this butter to go on the top.
And honestly, it wouldn't taste anything. It tastes a lot better with the butter.
Oh, okay. So the butter, you saying the butter's gonna make the dressing?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the dressing is about to go in the oven. My daughter did the macaroni and cheese. What else we got? We got the green beans. I gotta put the ham in, which I'm like, okay, wait a minute. That's like the star, and it's not even in the oven.
The cabbage?
Yeah, it's gotta take like 2.5 hours to cook. So the dressing, the green beans, and what is in here? Let's see. Okay, that's her macaroni and cheese, and I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, and the green beans are going. There's some turkey down there. We're gonna cook this down. I'm gonna add some potatoes to this, and oh, I still have to make the potato salad. All right, so here is my ham. I tried to make the pineapples and the cherries look cute on it, but I got a Smithfield spiral ham, and I'm about to put this in the oven now for about 2 hours, and then I'm going to work on the glaze for it. But I'm gonna cover it up first, and then put it in the oven for about 2 hours. All right, so the last thing is we gotta get these chicken wings on the grill, and then it'll be time to eat. So about how long?
Well, like 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah, probably so.
Or longer. Gotta be careful with chicken.
Okay. So.
Look, I had to force my baby. This is my youngest son. I had to force him to be on camera real quick. So this is him. And there's my daughter, and there's Santiago. All right, guys, so we are about to eat, but I wanted to show you everything that is done. I have our green beans, cabbage, some corn pudding or corn casserole. We have sweet potato souffle, candied yams, the dressing. Of course, we got a cranberry sauce, some chicken wings. This is my daughter's macaroni and cheese. I wish the camera would pick it up. I should have got it when it first came out because it was so bubbly. And then our ham. And then we also got some cakes from this local bakery called Jazzy Cheesecakes. This is a blue velvet. And then a strawberry, what is it? Strawberry cheesecake cake. So it's a strawberry cake with a cheesecake filling. So we are about to eat. But I did want to point out, let's see, the macaroni and cheese, the dressing, the green beans, the sweet potatoes, those are all, oh, and the corn pudding, those are all already videos on my channel. I will go ahead and link those below in case you're looking for the recipes. Okay, we about to cut into this cake. This is the, oh, it is the crunch cake on the side. Oh my God. That looks so good.
I'm about to pass out. I'm so full. It's a lot of food.
Let's see what that looks like inside.
We don't throw this
Oh, it's a red velvet bottom to it also.
Oh my God, that's cute.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh. So if y'all in Charlotte and you haven't tried out Jazzy Cheesecake, definitely check her out. All right, guys, it was a really good day. I mean, it was really good, but I'm tired. I'm on the couch right now with Santiago. Yeah, hi, Shanti. He's tired too. But I'm on the couch. I got the blanket. It was such a good day. Isaiah just took my mom back home, and I'm not even going to worry about this mess. Oh my God, it's a mess. It's a mess. I have so much food left over. I have to clean up because we have to check out of the Airbnb tomorrow at 10. But at least for the next few hours, I'm just chilling on this couch. But I hope I have enough footage to actually call this a vlog. It was my first time trying to do one. I'm learning. I'm learning, but I will definitely incorporate, let me try to sit up. Okay, that's better. Let's see. I'll definitely incorporate more, you know, interesting things going for further if we do continue to do vlogs. But I really just wanted you guys to meet my family, get to see who I'm talking about in all of the cooking videos and the recipes videos. Anytime I mention my babies, now you know. For one, that they're not babies. They're all grown, as you can see. But I'll try to insert some pictures from today. You know, anytime you get your kids together, you're like, okay, take some pictures. Here, stand here. Okay, let me get this picture. Let me get a couple more. So we took like 100 pictures today, and I'll try to insert some. But the food was really good. I was so happy to have my daughter help me this year. Normally for Thanksgiving, I take over the entire meal, and I'm like one of those people that I don't really like to have someone in the kitchen with me. So it's kind of hard for me to let someone help, but I'm telling you, girlfriend threw down today, okay? She threw down. That macaroni and cheese was so good. And she was such a big help, which helped me because it wasn't a stressful day. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. I can't wait to see what you guys could make for your families and your loved ones and your friends and yourselves during this holiday season. And as always, if you have any questions about any recipes on my channel, always feel free to ask. I'll try to answer questions as they come through. But all right, pulling this blanket up. I'm going to check out what's on TV, me and Santi, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.